Alright, here we are videotaping the double deck cart for you. As you can see, the car hasn't made the bracket yet, the sensor's not on, nothing works, all the features are disabled other than the drive at this point. This is a modified bracket we made similar to yours. It's not bolted to the floor, it's loose, so I'm going to have Colton step in, hold his foot there so I can drive in and attach to it. Now you can see we've hit the bracket, sensors made, clamps will work. I'm now clamped to the bracket. Now the deck will also be able to go up and down. At this point with the deck up and down, I cannot move the clamps. I'm still locked no matter what until I'm all the way down, so nobody can move away from the docking bracket. Pretend your press is right there. Same feature as the last time. To be able to do the push-pull, I have to hold this for 1, 2. Clear, let go. I can operate the push-pull again. At this point, the deck will not go up and down as the push-pull is not all the way retracted. Now I've reread the sensor, my deck works again. We'll go ahead and go up high enough here so you can see the second deck, same thing. 1, 2. It's clear, we don't have the bracket on there. The deck will not raise and lower at this point. The pins won't go up and down either. They're disabled at this point. I'll bring this chain back in. Both these sensors are red. I can now go down again. At this point, too, all the drive features are disabled. I'm all the way back down. The clamping feature would work. I'll show you real quick. Just the slightest up, the dockings are still undone. They have to be all the way down. The deck has to be all the way down for the clamps to come undone. So now I'm all the way down. I can unclamp. Drive is now enabled to move.